Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with New York Life Insurance Review My US Mutual Policy Experience. New York Life Insurance Review My US Mutual Policy Experience appears to be a service focusing on reviewing and potentially managing existing New York Life and US Mutual insurance policies. It's likely targeted towards individuals who hold these policies and want to understand their coverage, benefits, and options better. Key features might include policy analysis, comparison tools, and possibly financial planning advice. Their website likely provides details on specific services offered. This type of service aims to simplify insurance management, offering policyholders a clearer picture of their investments. Benefits could include personalized recommendations, potential cost savings by identifying overlapping coverage, and assistance with optimizing policy performance. It aims to provide transparency regarding policy details and any associated fees. While I can't speak to their specific technology or algorithms, it likely involves data analysis and financial modeling. Availability should be checked on their official website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using what I imagine this service to be like. I envisioned having an existing New York Life policy and wanting to understand it better. Getting started was straightforward. I imagined a simple online form where I entered my policy details. The interface was clean and intuitive. Navigating through different sections like coverage details, benefit summaries, and potential future projections was easy. I particularly liked the hypothetical scenarios they presented, showing how my policy would perform under different market conditions. Performance was good, the data loaded quickly, and the charts and graphs were clear and easy to understand. I had a quick question regarding a specific clause in my policy, and their simulated support team responded within a day via email with a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how the complex insurance jargon was simplified into easily digestible information. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized recommendations based on my financial goals. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the website was mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for projecting future returns, but once I understood them, it was quite valuable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with what I envision this type of service offering. It definitely helped me understand my policy better and feel more in control of my financial future. That's my overview of what a New York Life Insurance Review My US Mutual Policy Experience could be like. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.